and welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today we'll be looking into an aspect called geometric construction, but we're going to be learning how to divide line, right, into many possible division, right? So let's take a question and let's see how we can solve that question, how to divide a line. So the question goes below. As you can see in front of you. Draw a line AB 135 millimeter and divide it into 11 equal parts. The procedure we're going to be taking here is applied to any line you are given by your lecturer or perhaps your teacher. So any method we use to construct this division of line, you can apply it to any length AB you are given. You are still on the track. So now my first task here is to draw line AB of what? Of 135 millimeter. So if I have my line AB, let's say this is my line AB. I'm going to put at this point here. Draw my line AB at this point. Right? Faint line first. So let's say this point here is my point A. My point A. Now, how can I get my point B? I need to measure out what? I need to measure out 135, right? That is 13.5. So if I have this point, from this point here to this point is 13.5 centimeter, right? I'll write B at this point. So therefore, I will take in A and B so that we can actually know the length that we are using. I want to divide. So this is my line AB, right? So my next task now, I want to divide this line into what? 11 equal parts, as you can see in the question, right? So now, if I want to divide the line, this is the first step I need to take. I will take my meter rule. At the edge of point A, the starting point here, I will draw a line, right? I will draw an inclined line of any angle of my choice. You can decide to take it this way, take it this way, anyhow you want to draw it. Just draw an inclined line this way, faint, right? This way, faint, right? As you can see what I'm doing. So my next task now is for me to take my compass, right? Take my compass as at any given radius of my choice. I can just any one of my choice and just let's use this, right? So I'm going to do something like this. I'll place it at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Why did I divide this into 11? Because we are told to divide it into what? 11 equal parts. That is why I did it to 11. So don't forget, I did not measure it. Your lecturer can give you, or your teacher can give you the measurement. So if not stated, you can just use any radius of your choice. Now my next task is that I will take my next task now is to bring out your meter rule and your set square. This right? Now you see how we can apply this now. The first task here is to join this end point to point B, right? So I have this from this point here to point B. I will have this, right? I have this is my first point. Now since you have ruled this line this way, you hold it down, right? You now place this man here, right? So as for you to what? To swing down, right? Now, why are we holding it this way? Because we need what? A parallel line. Line that what? They'll be equal to each other, right? So take this way, take it this way, and this way, right? On it, as you can see what I'm doing, on it this way. So let me set it again. I have this, alright. So I have this, right? set it very well. Place it this one on this like this, right? So I'll now start swinging it downward, right? So take this one, touch this point. At this point, you can see. So at each point, take it downward this way. I'm purposely using a thick line so you can see what I'm doing. Normally you're meant to use a faint line, right? Faint line. So my next task is next point, this point here, right? Take it down, taking it. Next point, at this point, take it down. My next point, where's my next point? My next point, take it down. You can see that it's parallel to each other. The line is parallel to each other. My next task, my next point, this point here, it needs need to handle it very well. Take it down, this point here, right? What's my next point? You can see what I'm doing, right? So take it down. We have this. So you can just let's continue this way. If I place my meter row here, so that you can see what I'm doing, this way, right? And I place this at the bottom, I can easily switch this way, right? So let me just take it this way so you can see what I'm doing. On this point here, take it down, right? Next up, on this point here, take it down, right? So from this point here, take it down, right? So from this point here, next point here, take it down, right? Take this one down, and lastly, take this man here down. We have successfully divided this line into 11 equal parts, right? So here is the concept behind division of line, right? So this is my point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11. So they are what? Equally divided this way. So here's the concept on how to divide line into possible division. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you and welcome to WiseLink Academy.